Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete MEXC Exchange account. So how do I delete my account? To ensure the security of your account and prevent malicious account closures, you need to submit a photo with your identification and answer the following questions in an email to this email that you can see right here. Then MEXC will review the information provided. So please take a photo of you holding your ID and a handwritten note with the following text. Today is today's date. Request to delete my MEXC account. Email, phone number. I confirm the abandonment of all assets in this account. Please also provide the following information: account UID and the approximate registration date, approximate date of the last transaction made with this account, approximate date of the last deposit or withdrawal, list of cryptocurrencies previously held in this account, usual login locations for this account, and reasons for account closure. And that's it. After you send the email, MEXC will reply within 3 to 5 days and your account will be deleted and closed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.